Heavy snowfall is pounding parts of western New York State as a potentially historic storm that's already halted traffic on major roadways, threatens to topple trees, damage property, and knock out power as temperatures plunge. Snowfall totals have now reached 4 feet in at least 3 locations. Orchard Park, where the Buffalo Bills had been scheduled to play their now relocated NFL game Sunday, had snowfall totals of up to 54 inches by Friday afternoon. Blastel, about 8 miles south of Buffalo, has received 48 inches of snow, including 6 inches in the hour between PM and PM. Elma, just southeast of Buffalo, also has seen 48 inches since the storm rolled in. 2 Erie County residents have died after suffering cardiac events related to shoveling or blowing snow, County Executive Mark Poloncarz announced.